Hey guys! As mentioned in my previous video, I am going to do an IKEA or IKEA haul mula doon sa mga pinamili ko nung bumisita ako sa actual IKEA store. I just ended up getting 15 items. Marami akong gustong bilhin doon sa cooking utensil section. Pero yung area na yun, yung may pinakamaraming tao and ang hirap mag-navigate syempre kung sobrang daming tao at lahat kayo may shopping cart. For the items that I purchased and what I'll be showing you, I will be flashing their names and their prices on this video. And then, I will also put the links in the description box below para mas mabilis nyong makita or mabili kung gusto nyong bilhin. But don't worry, itong video na to, hindi siya sponsored. I'm just doing this para makatulong sa inyo. So, I'm going to start going through my haul. First, yung ibang mga pillows ni IKEA, walang kasamang pillow, cushion cover lang, and then bibili ka ng separate na pillow. But this one, may kasama na. Second item that I purchased is this giging accent pillow lang. Third item that I purchased is this is an inner cushion, and then bibili ka ng cover for this one. Pwede kang pumili ng kahit anong cover. And this is the fourth item that I purchased. Mas fluffy na ba? I also have a throw blanket. If you live in a condo, kung nagpapalaba ka, this is very essential. Ang okay dito, it's really sturdy. So, pwede mo nang idiretso yung laundry mo dito sa bag na to. And then, kapag papalaba mo na, just close this. We also bought sponges. Woo! Ganda na ito. Mas gusto ko yung color ng sponges na to kaysa dun sa mga usual na green and yellow. Kasi ito, pwede mo siyang i-display sa kitchen nyo. Pwedeng nakalabas lang siya, pero maganda siya tignan. Enjoy ako magugas ng pinggan gamit to. We also purchased this door hanger.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you.
Ito yung ibang pinamili namin. Well, actually, early Christmas gift ko to sa husband ko. Pero makikita nyo dun sa isang video, pinagbuhat natin siya ng kanyang regalo. Kasi ang bigat na ito.
To make me feel loved again. I am a woman coming alive. Gloria Gaynor, we will survive. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true, yeah. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you, yeah. I'm gonna let it shine on you. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Those are the items that I bought from IKEA. And andyan na yung desk at saka chair. Based on my experience, madaling i-assemble yung furniture ni IKEA. And yung guide niya, very simple, very easy to follow. We didn't need to use additional tools like screwdriver or whatever kasi each box comes with the tools that I would need to assemble the furniture. And kayang-kaya siya. Nagawa ko, for sure kaya niya rin. Ako kasi wala akong experience sa mga ganito. Pero, nagawa ko. Puro pictures lang siya. Mas gusto ko siyang sundan compared doon sa mga furniture na nabili namin from Shopee in the past. Ito, sobrang okay. And yung ibang items, super nagustuhan ko rin. Anyway, that's it for my IKEA haul. Definitely, babalik ako sa IKEA. For now, this is my video. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be also sharing some interesting stuff for your condo makeover. So stay tuned for that. Again, I'm Mayan Clemente, licensed real estate broker and a content creator based in Metro Manila, Philippines. Thank you for watching Own Property PH.